In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync up your Ring cameras with your Ring smart lighting. So stay tuned. So if you have recently picked up some Ring smart lighting, you've probably noticed in the app that you can pretty much turn the lights on and off. You can adjust the brightness up and down. And then if we take a look, we can also set up a lighting schedule so we can turn lights on and off at certain times of the day. But another thing that you can do is you can actually trigger your lights to turn on and off depending on the motion sensor in your cameras. Now to do this, you need to link those lights to the cameras that you want to control it. So if we back out of the light bulb that I have set up here and we go back to the home screen of Ring, I've got a camera set up here. This is the peephole cam. So I'm going to tap on that to load up the settings for the peephole camera. This is really easy to do. If you look at the third option from the top here, we've got linked devices. Going to click on linked devices and you're going to pick which devices you want to link to this camera. So this is the peephole camera that is in my door. Now, if we read on the top here, we say, when the front door detects motion, I want it to, and we can have it either turn on the backyard lights, the front yard lights, or we can actually even have it trigger another camera to start recording, or we can pick all of these options if we want to. For this one, since it's in my front yard, I'm gonna say, I want you to turn on the porch lights when it detects motion. This way I don't have the porch lights on all the time, and that way it's just turning on when somebody approaches the door. So I'm gonna say front lights. It's gonna give me a heads up, letting me know that this is probably gonna drain my battery on that camera a little bit faster, but that is okay. And then it's gonna ask when we want these lights to be activated. So by default, it is 6 p.m. all the way up to 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna leave that as the default. We're gonna click on OK. So now we can see that those lights are now linked up with the motion sensor in that camera. I'm gonna go ahead and click save in the top right corner. It's gonna back us out of here. We're gonna back up, and then we're gonna do the same thing with the camera in the backyard. So that's the stick-up cam. Click on settings, link devices. So for this one, since it is in my backyard, I want it to turn on my backyard lights. So we'll click on backyard lights right here. Drain the battery faster, that's fine. We're gonna leave everything as default. So now when the camera in the backyard detects motion, the lights in the backyard are going to turn on. All right, now that everything is linked up, let's go out front and I'll show you guys a demo. All right, so camera is gonna be all about placement. I just stuck mine right down here on the windowsill just to give a demo of when it detects motion, it's gonna turn on the light above it. So if we walk in front of it, you can see the light is now blue on there and the light is already on. So we've already got the porch light on, turned on that quickly by motion detection from the camera that was shooting at the path walking up to my house. Well, anyway, that is a quick how-to on how to connect your smart lighting with your Ring cameras. If you guys want to know more about the Ring environment, check out the link below to reviews.org. If you guys want to see more from me, check out my YouTube channel, Steve Does, where I do a lot of smart home tech and other cool tech reviews. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. I want to thank you for joining me here at reviews.org, and I will see you guys in the next video.